Baby Caddy Organizer, Nursery Diaper Tote Bag, by My Elephant Shop is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. 4 trendy styles, the manufacturer did 4 special models, one of them works with the styles of your nursery decor. Within 30 days, if you are not completely happy with your purchase, the manufacturer will replace or refund your order, no questions asked. Bonus changing mat. The manufacturer's lightest and thinnest portable changing mat without padding for fast and easy changes, to tuck into your purse, tote, glove box, or, of course, your super beautiful Diaper Caddy organizer. It is 14 x 18 inches size. Larger than most caddy brands with 8 external pockets. You can fit all diaper sizes from newborn to toddler or both with space to spare. It is 15 x 10 x 7 inches size. 6 small pockets and 2 large ones. Great for storing small items so they are at your fingertips when you mostly need them. Adjustable dividers. With the manufacturer's modular design you can fit any size diaper or baby item. Just adjust your new Diaper Caddy to your exact needs. Use the adjustable dividers when you have many items or just remove them when you need more space for larger items. Allows you to customize accordingly to your needs. 4 trendy styles. The manufacturer did 4 special models, one of them works with the styles of your nursery decor. Choose the one you love the most. It is a perfect gift for a baby shower,